How to fix your Viber on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Viber on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and now click apps again. Here you will find Viber, click on it and now click storage and then click clear cache and go to permissions. Allow all of those permissions here like location and click allow and then storage and allow, and that's it. Allow all of those and then just click for stop and go back and now restart your phone. Click restart and then just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.